Hi students, so today in this video we will discuss about the limitation of planning. So last video we have done the importance of planning. So in this video we will discuss about the limitation of planning. So though planning is an important tools of management, yet it is not a remedy for all kind of problems or all types of problems. It suffers from many limitations. As we know, every prospect has some advantage as well as some disadvantage. Similarly, this planning is also having some kind of limitation which are being faced by the managers. Okay, so I have written some 6 points in your board. You can see by which we can explain the limitation of planning. If a question comes, explain briefly the limitation of planning, then writing this point you can discuss or explain the limitation of planning. So first point it is written here, creates rigidity. So what is this create? Planning creates rigidity. Rigidity means what, see, in any organizations a well defined plan is being drawn to achieve some specified goals within a specified period of time. These plans lay down the future course of action within, and it is not possible for the managers to change them. So in some organizations, when the plans are being drawn for the future course of action, it is not possible on the part of the managers to change that plan. They have to strictly follow the plan that has been drawn irrespective of the changes in the environment. So as I have said before, planning are being done for the futures. So at present the plan is being done for future, but at future course of time when the plans are being implemented, it is such a situation arise sometime that while the plan is being drawn, some types of environment is being assumed, but actually at the time when the plans are implemented, the environment has been changed. So such inflexibility may prove to be a very costly for the organization when the situation changes. Okay, hence it is not possible for the organization to follow a particular plan when the circumstances have been changed. So this is the meaning. When we do plan for a future course of action and the environment of that particular working situation has been changed, but the plan cannot be changed because it is already been done. So that is the meaning, creates rigidity. Planning, when and once you have done the plan, it is confined to a particular or prospect which is not possible to be changed in the future course of action. So this is the first limitation or disadvantage of planning, called it creates a rigidity. Rigid means which cannot be changed. Rigid means which is already fixed. Okay, so that is the meaning of rigidity. Number two, does not work in a dynamic environment. As we know, environment, whether it is a natural environment or a business environment, it is not a static, or it is not a rigid. It is a very dynamic in nature. Dynamic means it goes on changing every day. Okay, so whatever the planning is being done, if the environment is very dynamic, it is not possible for the managers to work in that dynamic environment. As because why, dynamic environment means it is changing every times. The various factors may change, which is not favorable for the managers to do the work accordingly the plan had been done. So it is being seen that the various forces of the business environment, like as we have discussed in the chapter 3, business environment, social, cultural, legal, political, technological, these factors are changing day by day and keeps on changing. So that is why it is a very dynamic nature, because there are various forces or factors which are not in the hand of the organizations or not in the hand of the managers. So that is why it becomes very difficult to forecast the future when the economic policies of the governments keeps on changing continuously. Okay, so सरकार के पॉलिसी अगर चेंज होते जाता है, ये मतलब प्लानर्स के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है पहले से इसको एज्यूम करे या तो पहले से इसको फोरकास्ट करे. ओके, सो दिस इज़ ए वेरी important limitation which is creating a what limitation to the planner as well as the managers does not work in a dynamic environment. Number 3, reduces creativity. See, planning is involving such kind of activities which is binding the other person to utilize his creativity. Usually an organization's planning functions are being performed by the top level. We know there are 3 levels of management: top level, middle level and lower level. Basically the top level peoples are doing the planning function, and the rest of the members are required to implement them, middle level and the lower level. So this particular work or activity reduces the creativity of the middle level and the lower level managers, as because they have to follow the plan as being drawn by the top level people. So reduce creativity means आपके अगर जो क्षमता है उस क्षमता को आप बढ़ा नहीं पाते, क्योंकि आपको जो भी काम करना है, जो प्लानिंग ऑलरेडी टॉप लेवल ने करके दिया उसके आधार पे ही आपको करना है. सो दिस इज़ वन मोर लिमिटेशन. नंबर 4, इन्वॉल्व ह्यूज कॉस्ट. हाँ, ये तो एकदम सही बात है. प्लानिंग करने का जो तरीका है या तो पद्धति है जिसको हम प्रोसेस बोलते हैं, इस प्रोसेस में क्या होता है, तुम्हारा ह्यूज कॉस्ट यूज़ होता है. अल्टीमेटली देखो, द कॉस्ट मतलब प्लानिंग आप ऐसे ही बैठ के दिमाग लगा के एक दिन में कर दिया, 1 घंटा में कर दिया, ऐसा नहीं होता है. प्लानिंग फंक्शन इन्वॉल्व्स वेरियस thinking as well as analyzing as well as examining the various future prospect as well as the past experiences, and these required a huge amount of time and cost. For example, a lot of time and efforts are involved in scientific calculation to ascertain facts and figures and to check the accuracy of the facts while formulating a plan. तो आपको जब भी हम प्लानिंग करेंगे तो साइंटिफिकली उसको हम सोचेंगे, साइंटिफिकली फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स को हम एनालाइज करेंगे, चेक करेंगे इसका एक्यूरेसी कितना है कितना नहीं. तो ये सब काम जब करने जाएंगे आपको लॉट ऑफ मनी, लॉट ऑफ टाइम स्पेंड होता है. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट यहाँ पे देखो, ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस है जो दूसरा 5 नंबर लिमिटेशन है. ये दोनों हम एक साथ में बता रहे हैं. समटाइम्स ए लॉट ऑफ टाइम इज बीन टेकन फॉर फॉर्मुलेटिंग ए प्लान. एक प्लान को तैयार करने में काफ़ी लंबा बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ विच वेरी लेस टाइम इज़ लेफ्ट टू इम्प्लीमेंट देम. और प्लानिंग करते करते ज़्यादा टाइम लग जाता है और इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए आपके पास में समय कम होता है. इससे क्या होता है, प्लानिंग इज़ ए लेंथी प्रोसेस, ये हम जानते हैं. प्लानिंग एक दिन में, एक रात में, एक महीना में नहीं होता है. कभी कभार वेन एवर यू आर ए प्लानिंग for a very large project, it takes a very huge amount of time and cost also implemented in them. Okay, so this is the two other limitation, and the last one is does not guarantee success. हमने जो प्लान किया है, फैक्ट्स फिगर्स जो भी हो, एज्यूम थिंकिंग, धारणाएं लगा के प्लानिंग किया है, करने के बाद में ये प्लानिंग हमको भविष्य में जो सक्सेस दिलाएगा इसका कोई गारंटी नहीं दे सकता है, क्योंकि भविष्य सभी से अपरिचित है. एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज सक्सेसफुल ओनली व्हेन प्लान आर इफिशिएंटली ड्रॉन एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेड. और कोई भी एक संस्था, कंपनी, इंस्टीट्यूशन तभी वो सक्सेसफुल होगा अगर प्लानिंग को अच्छी तरह से वो इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाता है, एफिशिएंट प्लान ड्रॉ कर पाता है और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट भी अच्छी तरह से कर पाता है. सो ए प्लान मस्ट बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू वर्थवाइल एक्शन, अदरवाइज इट बिकम्स मीनिंगलेस. ये तो एकदम सही बात है. कोई भी अगर परिकल्पना किया उसको हम कैसे वर्थवाइल मतलब जैसे कि जुक्ति संगत हो, या तो उसको बोलो आप, वर्थवाइल का मतलब ये है कि आपको सार्थजनक तभी होगा जब आप उसको क्या कर पाएंगे, अच्छी तरह से यूटिलाइज कर पाएंगे. नहीं तो वो प्लान जो है आपने किया वो मीनिंगलेस मतलब अर्थहीन हो जाता है. अर्थफुल या तो अर्थपूर्ण तभी होगा अगर आप जो प्लान बनाया है उसको अच्छी तरह से आप इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाते हो, तो अगर नहीं तो ये प्लान बेकार हो जाता है. सो जनरली इट इज सीन दैट मैनेजर्स आर इन द हैबिट ऑफ डिसाइडिंग ऑन previously tried and tested सक्सेसफुल प्लान. तो मैनेजर्स लोग एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं, पहले मतलब इन पास्ट व्हाट एवर द प्लान हैज़ बीन सक्सेसफुल, depending upon that only the managers are trying to implement the plan, so that because already that plan has given the success to the organizations, so that is why the managers are all doing that kind of planning depending upon the past successful plan. Okay, thank you.